In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove cache from Brave browser. We'll go through each step together so you can follow along and clear your cache easily. Let's get started. First, launch the Brave browser on your device. This is your starting point for accessing the settings needed to clear your cache. Opening the browser sets the stage for all the changes we're about to make. Next, look towards the top right corner of your browser window. Click on the main menu icon, which appears as three horizontal lines. Once you do this, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, choose the Settings option. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage various aspects of your browser. Remember, accessing the settings is crucial for customizing your browsing experience. With the Settings page open, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Privacy and Security. This section is where you can control what data Brave stores and how it protects your privacy. It's important because managing these settings helps ensure your online activities are as secure as possible. Now, once you're in the Privacy and Security section, find and click on Clear Browsing Data. This option is your gateway to removing cached files, cookies, and more. It's a straightforward process that helps improve your browser's performance by freeing up space. In the window that appears, you'll see a time range drop-down menu. Click on it and select how far back you want to clear the cache. You can choose options like last hour, last 24 hours, or all time if you want to clear everything. Selecting the right time range is key because it allows you to remove only the data you don't need, keeping your important information intact. After choosing your preferred time range, focus on the list of data types. Make sure to check the box next to cached images and files. This step specifies that you're targeting cached data, which is often the main reason for slow browser performance. Clearing this cache can make your browsing faster and more efficient. Finally, click the blue Clear or Delete Data button. This action will initiate the removal of the cache based on your selected time range and criteria. You will see a confirmation appear, letting you know the process is complete. This step is crucial because it confirms that your browser is now free from unnecessary cache data. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the cache on your Brave browser. By following these steps, you've taken a proactive measure in maintaining your browser's efficiency. Regularly clearing your cache not only speeds up your browsing but also protects your privacy by removing stored data. Remember, keeping your browser clean ensures a smoother and more secure online experience. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy browsing.